Hello friends, greetings for the day. Today I am going to discuss very important change in GINA guideline 2026 for the assessment of asthma control in children between 5 to 11 years of age. It is called PEDS AIR-Q, that is Pediatric Asthma Impairment Risk Questionnaire. So what is this tool? There are 8 questions and we asked to answer in yes and no. So first question, your child is symptomatic for 2 days per week or more? Yes or no? Second question, is there any use of SAVA? If yes, 2 days per week or more? Third question, any night symptom which disturb the sleep of the child? Fourth question, is there any limitation of activity? Fifth question, how we assess asthma control in your child? By parents, or if child is answering, how you assess your asthma control. Sixth question, so these 5 questions are based on memory in last 4 weeks and next 3 questions will be in last 12 months. So sixth question, any time in the last 12 months the child had to take oral steroids to control symptoms? Yes or no? Seventh questions, any time in last 12 months the child had to visit emergency department? Yes or no? Eighth questions, any time in last 12 months child had been hospitalized for overnight? If overnight only, then overnight or 1 day. So these are 8 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yes or no. So every yes we give 1 point. Every no, 0 point. So if the score is 0 to 2, it is well controlled. If it is 3 to 4, it is not well controlled. And if it is 5 to 8, it is uncontrolled. So in my experience for last many years, this is the simplest and most comprehensive tool for assessment of asthma control in children, and I am very happy this time GINA 2026 has come up with very simple and very comprehensive guideline which can be used by any doctor at any center. For more knowledge about childhood asthma, its therapy, how to diagnose, please join fellowship program under Respiratory Foundation of India. Thanks, take care, be aware.